Hello, wonderful people. Let's enjoy the feelings of comfort, warmth, and connection that we need with wonderful people around us, and even more perfect with this SUNCREAT Fire Pit. Come with mesh spark screen and fireplace poker, also the cover for storage that you could have it on the different purchases. Enjoy the premium quality materials made of high qualified steel and coated with heat resisting paint, and outdoor fire pit is excellent in rust and heat resistance. The exteriors also has hollow decor of beer, deer, and tree, which give the bonfire pit delicate appearance and is also good for airflow to burn logs and charcoal quickly. Always safety first. The mesh spark screen can effectively prevent sparks, embers, and debris from flying out. The fire poker allows you to move wood or charcoal and safely lift up the mesh screen. And the protective ring keeps you a safe distance from the bonfire pit. Definitely stable structure. The legs of the outside fire pit are strong and form a triangular structure for providing super strong stability. With a stable structure, the outside wood burning fire pit is not easy to shake and tip over. This fire pit also portable, perfect to fit many people around for a bonfire and barbecue with steel grill. The large capacity hold more firewood, ensure complete fire pit experience, bringing warmth and atmosphere to your patio or yard. Super easy assemble and convenient use. The package comes with installation instructions and tools. No need to purchase additional installation tools. In addition, you can assemble it quickly and effortlessly just following the instructions. Cover protection for storage, made with polyester sturdy fabric, reinforced details, breathable mesh, no need to store your fire pit indoor. After the fire pit is used, just put on the cover, no need to put away repeatedly. It's easier to enjoy the joyous moment. The fire pit from SUNCREAT has 3 choices size. Mine is 42-inch. There is also 30-inch and 36-inch diameter, with material high qualified steel and coated with heat-resisting paint. Enjoy the perfection of your patio or yard with SUNCREAT Fire Pit, even as a gift for Mother's Day that coming soon, or someone special. Use discount code SUNCREAT30 for 15% off. Buy use the link that I share at this video descriptions. They also available on Amazon. I appreciate so much you stay with me, guys, and I hope you feel relaxing as me right now. All my love for you, and I will see you soon.